how do you stay organized when you're doing cold calling, or if you were in my shoes and doing like an A/B test, right, for persona, column on a spreadsheet, VM left this date, VM left that date. It feels terrible, but I'm just trying to do the best I can until I can figure out a way to scale up in a more organized way.
I get it, and they're not paying me to say this, and I'm sure there's 142 other platforms that are just as good. I'm cheap, okay? I've worked for companies that have had Salesforce. It's great if you can pay the third party to build it for you. I found Pipedrive, it gets it done. I organize by what category I'm in. So if you're just in, for me, my first category is IPP, which is Identified Prospect Profile. So if Ian's in my IPP, that means I haven't made contact with him. Once I've made contact with them, it's made contact. Once I know a goal for Ian, like where they're at right now, where do they want to be, they're a different one. So I set my Pipedrive up, not on what stage the deal is in, because that is so like warm and fuzzy, like this is in the needs implication phase. It's more tangible. Do I know what Ian's goal is? Has Ian seen my pricing? Has Ian made a verbal commit? Those are the type of categories that I have in mind. And then I don't even have to your point, you had said, well, then you got to look and go, when did you call him last? I don't even know when I called Ian last. Why? Because I set up forward moving checkpoints. So if I called Ian on a cold call, I'm going to put it, the next one, whatever I'm using for my cadence is, I'm not going to call him for another month. And then it shows up to call him that day. So instead of, I never have to look at at a prospect and go, when did I call him last? Because I'm only calling people that it's telling me to call that day. And then they're just moving through the thing. Now, you might be saying to yourself, well, how do you know when to call him next? That's a tricky one, because I have a ton of identified prospects, okay? So I only call people 3 times a year. But if you only had 50 prospects, you probably won't be employed if you call them 3 times a year, because you're going to make 150 calls. And as a boss of mine, Bob Beiersdorf, used to say, what the hell are you doing with the other 7 hours and 59 minutes in your day, right? Like, so this is where I would spend a lot of time finding new people. I would not call anybody if it's cold and you haven't made contact with them. The most I would ever call them would be once every 2 weeks, maybe once a week, but that's pushing it, because then they get fatigue, right? So I would rather spend that time finding other people.
Hey, I'm so glad you found my content. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to cover all the cost for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy you the course. You're going to be closing more deals. You're going to be making a lot more money. I'll see you there.